Hi everybody, my name is Ira, and today I would like to share with you how we managed to automate the process of increasing the code quality on our C++ Linux library. It's basically a small project. It's like 45,000 lines of the code. We host it on GitHub, so if you have similar infrastructure like GitHub, GitHub Actions, it may be interesting to you. It started 2 years ago when we wanted to do some serious refactoring of our library. There were like around 1,000 warnings. We thought we're gonna never fix, and we had test coverage at the level like 40%, which we wanted to increase to the level something around 80%. We wanted to have more stable library because we become seeing some random crashes. Sometimes we just wanted to sleep peacefully and know that everything is as much stable as possible. And we eventually wanted to learn how to write clean code, and we wanted to figure out for ourselves what is the quality code for us. So the first step what we did was we needed to pick up some code style. We created like some document for pages where we put what we want to do and what we don't want to do in our code. We created checklist as a reminder for PR authors to follow it before creating the pull request. You can see how it looks in the picture. And we put it all together into GitHub pull request template, so everyone could easily refer to it on PR review. That's what we did as the first step. And the second step, we wanted to make it hard to break the rule. So general, like well-known CI integration, we added Travis to GitHub. We added coverage measurement to PR checks. We added static analysis to PR checks. 2 months ago, we finally fixed all the 1,000 of warnings, and we put it warning. Started treating warning as its error, so put warning as an error flag after all those warnings were fixed, and we made it impossible to merge anything to master or dev without passing all those checks. And here actually is the point which I want to pay attention to. Like it's like my recommendation about the tools which we used. So it's our GitHub Actions workflow. We have 3 targeted platforms. We have test, run, and coverage generation, and which we upload to the coverage to the CppCon. And this is actually the tool which I recommend to use. CppCon reports for coverage measurement, and another tool is static code analysis, which we found also very useful on our project. Next steps which we plan to take is create C++ security best practices guide for our team based on different standards. We want to add more static analyzers, and we want to add sanitizers and Valgrind automated checkups. And the message of all this is don't compromise the quality of your code, and this is one of the ways how you can possibly do it if you have pretty small database hosted on GitHub. That's it.